What's caused the surge in startups? Many factors. I think particularly in the UK, we're just a very innovative bunch of people. I think the startups have always been there. I think we've given these startups the opportunity to step up and give them the tools to expand and to grow and to innovate. But I also think that the pandemic has played a big part in this. I remember 2 years ago reading all about, graphs were going up. It was an awful situation, and I remember thinking then, and I actually put something on LinkedIn that something around, in 10 years' time, we're going to look back on this period and all those people who were sat at home on furlough thinking, what do I want to do with my life? How am I going to change the world? And I think that now is starting to show through. 2 years later, we've got a lot of really bright, innovative people who've taken that leap of faith, started their own business with a great idea, and obviously we're here to help them. Well, I think we see it everywhere, don't we? We look at disruption in any of the industries that, if you've been around as long as I have, Uber, Netflix, all of these industries came along and just completely blew the traditional vendors out of the market. I think competition is a great thing. I think a lot of our larger industries will adapt or die. Some of the ideas and the passion I see from some of our startups, it can only be good for all of us. We definitely see when we talk to startups that they are very busy just staying afloat, making sure that, if they've got some funding, that those people are happy, that the ideas are moving forward, that they're generating prototypes, generating marketing material, and things can generally be very messy, right? And these people usually have some ideas of different things that they may have used at university or in other industries, but it's all very chaotic. Now, what we would always advise is that this is the time to actually get your processes sorted out. Don't wait until the business has grown so big that it's so difficult to do it. Do it while it's easy. Get in there early. The platform works out of the box. So within 24 hours, you can be in there, you can start using the applications, whether it's SolidWorks or simulation or change actions or tasks or all these great things. And it's very easy to configure as well. It can be done just by an individual. You don't need a complex IT engagement or consultants on site to configure the software. So it's something that can be customized to fit, even on very small customers.